Hello beauty, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. As for me, I'm fine. So today's video, let me share with you this magic remedies for you to grow your hair. So to start with, I have my glove, my dried rosemary, this is my blender, share with you how I make my oil recipe for using clove and dried rosemary. One thing I noticed about this oil, since I use this oil, my hair is very thick and it growing day by day. So if you are interested to see how I made this oil, please watch this video to the end. Then this is my almond oil. I will measure the oil with this cup. I use only 1 cup of almond oil. Now this is my pot of hot water. Then after adding the oil, I will place it on the fire. I will just heat it for about 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, I have my pot of water here, so I will just lower the gas. The reason why I'm doing this, I want the oil to infuse the ingredients. You know, the ingredients will enter inside the oil. You understand? As you can see, the color is already changed, so it's getting dark. Then I will remove it. I will just leave them for to just get cold before I will use this mint to separate the oil. So let me leave it so that it will cool down. Okay lovely, let's move to the next step. As you can see, the oil is already cooled down. This is my wig cap. Then I will use this wig cap hairnet to stream the oil out from the ingredients. If you want to use this hairnet, make sure you use the clean one. there. Look at this oil. It's very dark. Wow. By this time, if you want to add castor oil, you can add. For me, I will not add any oil. It's already on point like this. This is affordable oil, organic oil, when you no go see buy for market. By watching this video, I motivate you to go and make this oil. This oil served me for about 2 months. Yes, so I love this oil. Hi, this is me. I'm just sending my greeting to you all. So as you can see, I'm already washed my hair with shampoo, condition my hair. So let me start apply the oil that I make earlier. I want to plait all back weaving as protective hairstyle. As I'm plaiting the hair, I will just be applying the oil along with the hair. So beauty, let me quickly say this: if you don't have anybody to weave your hair for you or to plait your hair for you, if you want to plait your hair all by yourself, do you see how I position my hand? When you position your hand like this for the beginning, before you plait your hair, you can be able to plait all your hair. I can make my hair alone, fix weave-on all by myself. So if you are interested, you want to learn how to plait hair, how to fix weave-on all by yourself, I'm here. Just let me know for the comment section. So I'm finished making my hair. I will take some oil. I will be applying the oil to the line. So lovely. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. God bless you. Thank you. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share my video and love my video. I love you all. See you in my next video. Goodbye.